Supercritical fluid chromatography is simply chromatography where the mobile phase is a supercritical fluid. In this case, carbon dioxide. Supercritical fluid chromatography is very similar to liquid chromatography. The instrumentation is nearly identical for both forms of chromatography. This is the method station 2. It's an analytical supercritical fluid chromatograph as opposed to other chromatographs that Thar makes, which are primarily preparative. This instrument consists of a pumping system which delivers high pressure carbon dioxide to the chromatograph. A second pump is used to deliver a co-solvent or modifiers. At the top of the pump we see 6 reservoirs. These reservoirs contain a co-solvent or a modifier. The co-solvent and CO2 are delivered to a static mixer. The static mixer's function is to homogenize the CO2 and the co-solvent. The homogenized mobile phase is delivered to this autosampler. It's equipped with 2 48 station sample holders for a total of 96. It's also equipped with an injection valve. It picks up the sample, and the sample and mobile phase are delivered to the front of the chromatographic column. This is the column oven. We can have up to 10 chromatographic columns in the oven. Once the sample elutes from the end of the column, it's delivered to the detector. In this case, it's a Waters photodiode array detector, the 2998 model. It leaves the detector and is delivered to the back pressure regulator. Up to this point, the instrumentation is identical to liquid chromatograph. The unique part of an SFC is the back pressure regulator. This controls the pressure throughout the system, and the pressure also controls the flow rate through the column. The system uses 2 forms of software. One we call SuperChrome. This is used to operate the chromatograph, and a second software system called ChromeScope is used for the chromatographic data handling. We're using the Empower software to control the chromatograph and to do the chromatographic data handling. The Resolution 2 is simply a method station 2 with a Waters 3100 mass spectrometer added to it. When this is done, the system is called the Resolution 2, and instead of being controlled by Empower, MassLynx now controls the chromatographic system and all the data handling. The mass spectrometer is plumbed into the system after the BPR.